my flashback. Ah! Oh my God, you scared me! Sorry. Oh, gosh. Flashback time. I'm gonna kill your town! Why? 'Cause I want $5. What? Why? 'Cause I want $5. Well, what you gonna do with $5? I'm gonna get a $5 foot long. Yeah. What? Why didn't you go to Quiznos? 'Cause I like Subway! Well, fine. Energize. You like my flashback? Yeah, that was kind of weird, Lamb Chop. Why didn't he like Subway? No, he likes Subway. No, he didn't like Subway. No, he wanted $5 so he could go to Subway. You fool! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, what was that, Bo? I like slapping people. I can't slap myself. Hey, don't you try. Yeah. Hey, we should go tell the town about what I saw. Okay, bye. No, we're not buying. We're just going to tell them. What? Go tell the town. Fine. Oh. Oh my God, you guys! I have some bad news. Anyway, we have some bad news. There's an alligator who's threatening to kill us all. Okay then. All he needs is $5, so I think we should just give him the $5. But then again, I kind of want kill him. So, Special Monkey Brigade. Yeah. Can you get your Monkey Brigade together and help us and come kill him? Yeah, sure. Okay. Are you in? No. Why? I mean, pie. Yeah. Good enough.